Hello guys, so welcome to the stream. It's Vido. So as you guys know me, I'm a gaming content creator and also a Web3 specialist. I'm into DeFi, I'm into crypto, NFTs, shitcoin trading, everything. So um, for this stream, this is actually my first YouTube live. I've never been live on YouTube. I've been live on Kicks. I've been live on Twitter as well, but I've never been live on YouTube. So for this stream, I would just like to vibe code. Vibe code is just a meta whereby you can use an AI to develop your idea, like the application. We have programmers and everyone that does this programming and stuff for you. But you on your own, you can actually get a subscription for an AI, and it helps you develop your idea by just giving it prompts that okay, do this, do that, create a strategy and the like. So while I actually started vibe coding last year November, but I was just stopping. I think, yeah, like last year November or September, but I was just stopping. I will start for a while then stop again because I didn't have so much time on this stuff. So while I started vibe coding back, I met with this Surge project. Surge is just a protocol whereby for new developers, vibe coders, if you want to ship out some any app or anything, they can help you put it to more audience. They can help you put your app that you have vibe coded to more audience, and also they have a large reward pool of like I think $250,000, whereby the best vibe coders get to in a split of it, and they get to launch their token. So this is reason why I actually bought this to everyone, because this is not only an opportunity for me, it's for everyone that wants to vibe code and wants to try it out. So that's the reason why I'm here. And tonight I will be vibe coding an Insta Verify project. This Insta Verify um project. So this project is going to be doing is that in Web3 we have an issue with research, whereby if you want to get the theme of a project, it takes you time. You have to like keep going to the website just to find the name of the developer of the project, or just to find the team, the CEO, the COO, everything. It takes a lot of time. You can spend like 4 hours. Minimum time spent on research in Web3 is like 4 hours. You are going back and forth and the likes. But with the help of this tool I'm trying to develop, you can cut this stuff to 30 seconds or even as less as 5 seconds, and it's going to give you feedback on the team, the project, past projects, the team I've worked on, their background, token contract, if they have launched a token or not, their Twitter. Just by pasting their Twitter handle, you can get all this information. So you can know if they have launched a token, you can know about their team's background, you can know about the team's project and the like. So that's the idea behind this Insta Verify, and I hope we'll be able to achieve this, and I will make it an open vibe coding, whereby I'll be streaming each process of how I develop the project and the app every time I'll be streaming it. So guys, don't dull. If you have any idea, this is an open stream, and you can, if while we are developing and we are vibe coding, if you have an idea, okay, this is an idea to make the app better, or maybe something like, maybe let's say for instance, my idea is by pasting their Twitter, and someone can come up with an idea of pasting their um contract address. Maybe you find the token on CoinGecko or the likes. You can just paste the CA on my Insta Verify, and it's going to bring out what the project's Twitter and everything. Maybe someone might have an idea like that. So if you guys have an idea during the stream, just send a comment, and we can also try and build this stuff together. So that's all about Insta Verify. So if you haven't vibe coded yet, this is like actually a good step for you to like start, because I'm going to like be showing some little steps on how you can start vibe coding for yourself. So well, there are various number of tools to vibe code out there, but me, I use Cloud, and the subscription for Cloud is just $20 monthly. And even though the rates can be limited, if you're like heavy vibe coder, it can be a bit limited, but you can still do what you want to do They can implement your idea for you. So for me, for you to start vibe coding, I believe in researching about that idea of yours. Know how much it's going to cost you. Um, what are the APIs you are going to be needing to develop the project? What do you need for the front end? What do you need for the back end of that project? How much is it going to cost you? Is it something you can do like for free? Is it something you will need some investors so they can help you and develop it? So that's the idea behind trying to vibe code, because you need all this information. So, and who is your best friend that can give you this information for free? It's still your same AI. You can tell him, you can ask him any question about, okay, this is my research. You can see the search bar, see how long it is. This is just me quizzing the AI. Okay, if I want to make this tool in this way, what's it gonna cost me? Can I make money from this tool? All these kind of questions, because obviously all of us that we are vibe coding and the likes, we're trying to solve people's problem. You get. So by solving people's problem, you can make more money for yourself rather. So that's the reason why you have to like deep down. You don't just when you are developing something or maybe an app, you don't just go by just starting to program. No, you try and understand the problem. Like, okay, this thing I want to develop, this idea, what is the main problem? If you understand the problem deeply, it will be much easier for you to develop the app. Like, your scalability will be very, 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 very nice, because you know what you are doing, you understand the problem, you can easily switch from this concept to another concept. So I quiz the AI a lot. So let's proceed. I quiz the AI a lot into what I need to develop the app. And also I asked a lot of questions, guys. I asked a lot of shitty questions and everything, just for me to know idea of what I can do. And I saw that, oh, I need Twitter API, I need some crypto app APIs and the likes. A lot of APIs I need actually. So what you need to do when you want to start vibe coding is you need a PRD file. This PRD file helps you, like, it helps you communicate with the AI. The AI can read the PRD file and know that, okay, this is what you want to develop, because the PRD file is going to include the step by step phase of your development. Maybe phase one is just building the logo, creating the design, or maybe developing the website. Maybe phase 2 is adding some kind of features and everything is going to be included in the PRD file. So that's where we're going to start tonight. I'm going to be creating a PRD file for this. So guys, can everyone see the comments? Can everyone see the comment? Let me chat. I. If you are here and you are sure you can chat as well, you can just send I in the chat. Let me see if people are actually following. Is there anyone there? So no one is there. No one can send a feedback. So I know that, okay, we are here. I'm just talking to myself and the likes. Okay, okay, okay. I saw some reply. So you can only send. Yeah, I restricted it to sending them a message maybe once every 60 seconds and the like. So I think that makes a lot of sense and the likes. So guys, just know I'll be picking two winners from the giveaway from the comment section today. So if you are here, it would be nice if you vibe with us a lot, and it will be really appreciated for you. So guys, so proceeding with the PLD file. What you just have to do by creating a PLD file is you tell the AI, after you have asked a lot of questions, just tell the AI to create the PLD file. You have to give it specific details of what you want in the PLD file. So let me see how I'm going to create a PLD file for this. So the idea of me creating this PRT file and telling it that I want an X API to be paid is because for this kind of idea, because I will be using Twitter X Twitter link to like get the info of this project. So that means I need X API, and X have stopped sharing their API for free. For you to get access to your API, you have to like pay for it. It's something that is done monthly and the likes. So it's not something you can just get for free, and it's expensive because it has amount of access or amount of calls you can get by using the API. Maybe amount of calls you can get. Maybe if you pay for maybe $50, you can get like maybe 50 calls, or maybe let's say 100 calls. So each time someone comes to the portal and try to search something from the Twitter link, the XAPI is going to like keep using it. So that's the reason why I said I want to use a paid one, because there is no better option for me to do it. If I want to scrap on other websites, it's not going to be efficient. It's not going to be very efficient at all. So um that's the reason why I said okay, paid API and other tools to be free to right now. And also I don't want the cost to be I don't want the cost per monthly to be more than $50. So that means most probably we'll be paying for the X API alone, and other stuff will be in free tiers. So let's get the AI to create the PRT file for us. Is there anybody that is chatting and I can't see them? Because I think it's like I'm chatting with myself. Or did I turn off the chats from other people? Oh wow, I'm really sorry guys. GMGM, dead diskin, dead Dixon. Yeah. I see Bimbo sticker as well. Dead this Dixon. I think you heard there. We'll be vibrating an instant verify tool. How many API credit does this cloud party come with? I'm not really sure, but we can actually check it. Let me go back to cloud. Okay, cloud is going to generate a compressive PRD file for us. But for cloud, I think to know more about cloud, you should just try and check your usage policy, because I didn't check that because I've not been like vibe coding so intensively, so I don't really know how much API stuff comes with it. You get so so that's just that I don't know how many credits for now. So that's also all I think about it for now. So let's wait for this PLD file to be generated. Ooh, so while we wait, I can still tell you guys about the search platform. I think is what you guys should actually give a try on, because let me show you guys the platform also again. So this is like the search portal. This is the search website. The platform is just search.xyz. So you can see these are hackathons that they are opening, and everything has a prize pool, and this one is prize pool for this is to be announced. um you can see various projects that are being developed here, and a lot of investors are actually watching on this site, looking at what people are trying to develop. You get so if they see your idea is kinda nice, or something like okay, yes, is what they want, they can DM you from this platform and just pick you up. And it's very very easy to sign up. You're not paying any dime for you to sign up. Just by coming to the site, you just sign up, create your name, put your name. If you want, you can connect your Twitter, connect your GitHub, and what other thing. Then you already start the project. This is mine. I already started my project. I connected my GitHub and the likes. So you can create your project from here. The project you want to create and the likes, you can just create it here. Then we have a project directory. So let's see if our PRD file. Okay, so our PRD file is here. So let me just do a sharp reading through it. A Web3 due diligence tool here. Auto readers, blah 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 blah. Table of content. This is what a PRT file is, guys. If you don't understand, it contains everything that you want to be included in the project. It contains everything you want to be included in the project. Oh yeah, I'm glad you are learning, Dixon. Audrey, what's up, bro? How are you doing? Let me just hold on. So so this is like a PLD file, contains the vision, the goal, the budget, structure, database, schema, and everything. So this is what the API is going to read. This is what the AI is going to read and be like, okay, let's develop this thing for you. So this is my budget constraint architecture. For me, I will be using Twitter Basic API, and it's going to social verification. It gets 15k reads per month. Then I'll be using Gecko API. I'll be using the free Moralis API. I'll be using free Abitum. So yeah, all this one contact verification 5 calls per second. Okay, that's still fair enough. 10,000 calls per month. Okay, since we are still building for now, render.com backend hosting. Oh, okay, no, but this is still free. Domain name, okay, that can be something we can do later. Security and okay, that makes sense. So for the XAPY, it give us 15,000 reads per month, and that's 500 reads per day. Okay, that means if everyone is coming to just search about a project and the like, so that's just what an AP an RPD file is. It's going to tell you what stack you are going to use for everything. Then so guys, this is where the coding is going to start. So after you have done your research on the cloud page, now this is cursor. Let me first download the rpd file. I'll download the rpd file. I'll put it in a folder so I can easily open it up in cursor. So I can easily open it up in cursor. Let me create a new folder. So this is going to be Insta Verify. I'm creating a folder, guys. So I've downloaded the rpd file, so I'm going to put the rpd file in the Insta Verify folder. Okay, so now I hope you guys can see my screen. So I'll be switching to cursor. Now. So this is cursor, guys, and cursor is where you get most of the coding job done. This is cursor. This is like an IDE. This is an environment where you can program and you can write code. And this cursor has an inbuilt AI, a lot of inbuilt AI feature. And to this cursor, I will connect my cloud directly, and I will be able to like code just by typing in cloud. I'll be able to like tell cloud do this, do that, do this. So let's just get started with coding. Okay, so I'm opening a folder for cursor. So let me open the folder I created. So this is Insta Verify. So it's going to give me a workspace for myself, and show terminal. I want to use the terminal for now. Yeah. So by just typing in cloud, the bot is going to be integrated here, and you cannot just do it like by yourself alone. You have to like, I think you have to have connected your cloud with cursor to some API keys for you to just type in cloud and it's going to come, because I've done this before. That's the reason why I will be doing it again. So cloud, then yeah, you can deploy prompts on cursor easily. You can deploy prompts on cursor there. Just follow me, just follow on. So by typing on cloud, so it's going to bring cloud to me. So cloud, this project you created, one like your own code. Cloud could be able to read edit files, no problem. Yes. So cloud is just asking you for permission. Are you giving him permission to this application, this folder that you are creating? So my first instruction to cloud, it will be read the PRD file in the folder. That's what I want to develop. Yeah, so the cloud is going to do its due diligence, is going to read. Christian, what's up, fam? How are you doing? So cloud is thinking, um, it's going to read the PRD file. So he said I've read through the full PRD. Instead of is a project due diligence. So we are going to be doing the back end. Okay, he just brought out information on the back end, what we'll need, and this is just the brief of what's in the PRD file. This is a substantial full stack project. Let me enter plan mode to design implementation approach before writing code. Okay, yes, you can design the implementation. Do you want me to build both front end and back end in the same repo or separate repos? What should we do? Better for independent deployment but more complex. Simpler to manage and develop locally. What should I do? Okay, let me just make a little research between the two. Back end and back end and front end be better in two different repos. Hmm. Okay, then that means normally myself I don't like easy stuff, so I'll just be going with separate repos, even though it might be a bit complex, but let's do it. So I'll tell Cloud to do separate repos, build with mock data first, get the full UI and backend structure working with realistic mock data, then plug in real APIs. Okay, yeah, that's much better because I don't have the payments for the X API right now, so I'll just build with mock data first. Yeah. So which week of PLT? Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, we'll just do it step by step, and I'll actually be doing this open every time, like open every time, so we can follow on the progress of this app. Because I think it's even make researching more easier for me in Web3. I just put in the project Twitter and it's done. So it will be very amazing. So which week of PLD roadmap should we start building? The PLD outline 8 weeks. Should I tackle 4 to 1 weeks called backend plus 410 plus okay, yeah, let's do that. Or should I do week one only? Just the scaffolding database schema. Ooh, should we do week 1 to 4? Okay, let's do week 1 to 4. Yeah. Do you want me to build? Okay, yeah. These are the you see the AI is like telling you these are the answers you submitted. So let's submit. I hope you guys can see the stream more clearer, so I know maybe I can just make my terminal more bigger. So this is my terminal. I think it's much bigger this way. It's much better for you guys to see right now. So cloud AI is going to think and is going to be implementing the design. So what's up, guys? So far, what do you guys think about the idea? And also, if you guys have different ideas of vibe coding, I can easily put you through on vibe coding as well, whereby you can implement your idea yourself from your own room anywhere you want to do it. And also, Surge is a good place for you to start as well because they have They have price pools attached to like very nice ideas and vibe coders. So it might be like a very nice one to start from such. Okay, so it responded Node version AI. Okay, yeah, yeah. I think we'll be needing Node.js. Yeah, yeah, npm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check, check, check. Just checking the chat while it's loading. Okay, web search. Class wants to search for web for a bit. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. We need web search express Node.js. And also, guys, don't forget to stay here with me to the end. We already halfway on the stream, and the stream is going to be an hour long. So, as you guys know, I'll be giving two people randomly selected from the comments $5 each, and it's just a small gesture for me, because me I believe in giving out, and I believe in giving out a lot, because it can actually help someone out there. Even it might be small to some, might be big to some, but then it's just something you can just use to just do it whatever you want with it. But then if you have an idea, cloud sub is just $20. If you have $5 already and you feel like okay, you have something you want to develop as well, $15, $5 is out already. You are left with to find $15 and complete your sub. So that's just, so if you know you will like be among the winners, you can just stay to the end of the stream, because I'll be selecting the winners at the end of the stream. And just be active, follow up with me, vibe with me. If I'm doing it wrong, tell me. Okay, maybe you know it more than me. Yeah, I don't. Nobody knows everything. Vibe with me. Tell me. Oh, this is the way. The likes. Okay, maybe you prefer this idea. You don't like this method. You don't like this UI of this website. You can easily tell me that, and we'll switch the style. This thing is for users. It's not for me. I'm building it so other people can use it. Can make research very easier for you. Yeah. Okay. I think Cloud is still thinking. Okay. Easy for Cloud to give us your response. Okay, let's wait. This these things will have been what developers will have took maybe 1 to 4 weeks to do, and this cloud is already implementing it. And the runtime now is 4 minutes at the moment, and let's see how well it's going to come out. Let's see how well it's going to come out. So what do you guys for the latecomers? This stream is just about building an application that can make research much easier for you, especially if you're from Web3. An application that you can just put in the project's Twitter, and it's going to give you the team, the information about the team, information about that project, their token address, if they have ever launched a project, the team background, maybe they've worked for brand before. It's going to give you the team, the project funding, maybe animal brands funded them and the likes and the stuff. Is going to give you all those details that you take hours researching on them manually. You can easily get them in 10, 20, 30 seconds. So that's the idea of what I'm building on with this tool. And also like I said before, Surge. Let me show you guys Surge, since the AI is still thinking. Let me show you guys about Surge. Mhm. So this is Surge. This Surge is like a platform for vibe coders. If you have idea and you're trying to build something, they can make your idea more visible to other people, more visible to investors and a lot of people. See the ecosystem that they are being powered on. GI, Solana, Privy, and so they can bring your project to a lot of older people out there, and they have like they have hackathons, hackathons, yeah, they have a lot of hackathons, and they have prize pools a lot. There's a current pool that is worth I think $250,000 that among users that vibe coded the nicest project and the ideas, the like very nice idea, they will fund them and launch them a token in Web3. And so this is just a place for you to start. Whatever your idea is, you might think it doesn't make sense, but maybe it actually makes sense. You can just give it a try, and there, boom, maybe you'll be one of the people that's going to get in. So let's check if okay, it's still thinking, it's still thinking. Cloud is still thinking. The idea is a lot though, for you. It's a lot. It's a lot. And for now, we are still using the mock data for now. We are using the mock data for now. So let's see what's going to be like. Because by the time it's going to be more crazy is when I actually get those X API and I'm trying to integrate it with the right keys and the likes. So it's going to be much crazier then. So Cloud has been thinking for let's say 6 minutes now. Okay, okay. Oh, it's actually it has done the plan and design. Done night two uses. Now let me write the final plan of the file. Wow, let's see. Updated plan. Let's see what cloud. So this is what vibe coding looks like, guys. You just tell the AI what you would like, and like I said, it's better to always start with the PLD file in the folder. The PLD file consists of all the ideas about everything in the file, everything you want the project to be like, what you want it to look like. So you can easily just tell cloud, okay, read the PLD file and do this for me. So that way it knows what it's going to do and everything. So you can just give it prompts. You can easily give it prompt and be like, okay, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that. Okay, it has finally given us a result. So ready to code. Here is the plan. Build Insta verify. Okay, decision separate client. Yeah, that was decision. Phase one backup setup server. Okay, exit rate limits Morgan. Okay, entry point middleware. I think this is for authentication and API routes. Yeah, for the Ace and orders. Then phase two is front end setup. Okay, this phase one is more about back end setup. Okay, then phase two is about initializing projects. Okay, the React. Okay, home page. Okay, the layout and okay, yeah, let's do it. Hmm, this is going to the build is crazy. Index malware. That's for the server and this is for the client. Build order backend service verification starts backend. Okay, close as a plan and let's do this. Clear context and auto edit, auto accept edit. Okay, let's do this. So cloud is going to start building you're going to start building from the backend for us. Let me check the comments. Yeah. AI has actually made a lot of stuff easier. You can easily debug a code now. There are a lot of code that so many um so many review teams have tried debugging, but they didn't find a bug in it. But with AI, you can easily find the bug. So I think AI is actually playing. AI is playing some part in the society. Yeah. Wagwan Teddy Face, what's up, bro? Trust you, good fam. Okay, yeah. For the link for the Surge, or you mean for the app I'm building? If it's for the if it's for the instant verify, I think that one might. I'm not sure it's going to be done this night because we have just 20 minutes left on stream. But once it's done, I will definitely share the link so you guys can get feedback. But for Surge, you can easily get started on Surge or by just typing surge.xyz. I don't want to send it in the comment because I think I'm not verified for sending links yet. Surge, then you put dots. Let me put it in brackets. search.xyz. So if you want to get started on search.xyz, you can get started on that one too. But yeah, for the app I'm developing, surely once it's out and everything is nice, even before, even if it's not nice or yet, I'll just, okay, you guys just help me and test it out. How is it doing at this moment and the likes, and through feedbacks I can be able to like build it better and make it much better. Yeah, so thanks for that, man. Thanks for that, Dixon. Thanks for the likes, guy. Thanks for the love. So I think okay, let me check what cloud is doing. So create backend service. Okay, it has created the backend foundation package. Okay, create backend service. Mock Twitter. Okay, it's going to be using a mock Twitter, CoinGecko, and on-chain red flag. So everything we are building now is still going to be mock for now until I integrate the APIs of the other projects or the other tools we'll be using, like the Twitter, the CoinGecko, um to check on chain for token address and the likes. So till then, it's going to be a mock project. Whoever is sending love, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate. Okay, Cloud is taking a time, but for you, what it's doing is a long store for you, so it should take its time. Okay, then it asks for a command. Okay, so now install backend and verify. So it has created the backend. So now, do you want to proceed? Okay, yeah, install it. Accept. What the fuck is, where is your $5? Isaac, Isaac, send your $5. Send your wallet. Let me send you $5. Or maybe I just send my wallet. You will send me $25. You help me times five. You help me times five it. Eh, Isaac. Let's proceed. For real, bro is really after the bag. Bro is not playing at all. He's not playing at all. Let's do it this way, Isaac. Send me $5 and I will send it back to you. I will send you $10. Yeah, as per Idolo, yeah. You should send me $5 and I will send him back $10. I think that makes sense. Okay. Um Start server and test endpoints, yes. Ooh. What specific drive can you not find? What's happening here? This part is actually, let's say, maybe much easier part. So there will be a lot of time you'll be trying to debug some stuff, and it will be crazy for you. Yeah, that's a savvy exchange. If you just send me $5, I will double it for him. No time. PowerShell, kill any process on. Okay. The server loads fine. The headers is from Pyro instant. Let me refactor indexes s to export the app clean in the text. Okay. It's time to fix some bugs from the backend. PowerShell. Oh, okay. Yes, continue. Fine and okay, not that. And also, if you are vibe coding, most of the words there might be stuff you are not familiar with, but just have to accept it. Or the way you can learn much better is just okay researching what does this mean, what does this mean. That way you can learn much more about what uh the AI is actually developing for you. But most of the stuff you will not even know. This is a killing the old node process. I think there's something happening on the back end that is not allowing the server to run. Then you have to like kill it, then have to run it again. I think that's what is happening here. But if you're not like that technical, you won't really know what it means. But you just tap okay, proceed, proceed, proceed. But there are some stuff you can just check it out. Like okay, what does this mean? Then you will get small knowledge about it. Task kill. Okay. Yeah. It's actually bug hunting. Go and watch. Go and watch Champions League now. Actually, my team is playing this night. Madrid is playing, and I wish us the best. Cause for you, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And I actually want us to win. I want us to win so bad. I want us to win so bad because Madrid has been playing a lot of shitty games. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Test popular project endpoints. Okay. Oh, that's nice, bro. That's nice. Chop knuckle. Chop knuckle. Chop knuckle, bro. Let me give you knuckle. Fist bump. Okay. Scaffold width. Okay, I think now we are creating the front end. The back ends are okay, so let's create the front end and let's see. Also, as Web3 for, I think some of us watching this live, some of us are Web3 folks. So, what do you think? Do you think you can pay $5 monthly for you to research as much as you want on any web about any Web3 project by just putting in the Twitter link, and you're going to get all the information you need about the team background, who is funding the project, have they raised any funds, what the project is about. Do you think you can pay $5 as a subscription monthly just to do that, or you will prefer um your manual research whereby you use 4 hours before you get what you are looking for, or you prefer using this and in 30 seconds you have all the info you need? What do you guys prefer? You can send in comments. Bro, this bro is this guy is racist as fuck. I sent him a black fist bump. He's sending me a white fist bump, bro. Bro, teddy face. Too many Madrista in the house. Yeah, the best team, of course. The best team. Okay, let me read. Okay, we don't have to accept anything. Error writing file. Why is there error to write the file? It's still loading. Bro, for real, I won't lie to you. Both is not okay. Cause if you do research a lot, especially when it comes to the DeFi era, whereby do research a lot on DeFi protocols, whereby you find it very hard for you to understand how the protocol works or how they generate their revenue. You know that, bro, research can be so stressful for you. But with the help of a tool that even them explaining their pitch deck and everything with hard words, the research, the AI can, the tool can easily bring it down to the understanding easily. You know how you can actually um how you can like invest in the protocol and just exit, like, having more information about a project before buying into it and everything is like it is a golden information, because okay, this is what they do, this is how you can this is your strategy to like make your own, this is your strategy to like enter at this zone, exit at this zone, and the like. So um this the stuff is that when you are researching and it takes a lot of time, it's actually like wasting your time to make money, you get. Because maybe something you are meant to like enter now, maybe you saw this project now and you're meant to enter it now, but because you want to do your due diligence, you keep researching researching, and the research has taken time, and the project, that time you were researching, the project has done maybe, let's say, 2x 3x that time you are researching. So imagine that. But maybe let's say with the two, you already knew, okay, oh, this is what this project is about in 30 seconds. You can already frame your mind, then okay, you can make your trading decision easily, because the tool has done most of the research for you. So now is this for you, time for you to decide, okay, am I buying in or I'm not buying in. But if it's the manual way, you have to take a lot of time to research, and during those time you are researching, the token is moving, is making headway. So I don't know what you think about that as well. Yeah, for you, it's a valid take for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No bug. I think no bug so far in the front end. I think I'm not going to say it's easy, but I think the front end is always much less easier than the back end. So let's see how it's coming out. Okay, it's still creating the front end foundation. I think we are going to be waiting for a bit, and the Madrid in the house does really want to go and watch the Madrid fan, but then it's not bad. After maybe we are going to probably end the stream in the next 8 minutes. Then most probably I will try and make another stream tomorrow, so we'll continue the development of the app. And also, you can also see, I don't know if anyone saw um like a writing here that says I've used 90% of my rates today. So for each plan you are paying for cloud AI, it has the amount of rates you can use, you get. So it has the amount of rates you can use, and if you finish using your rates, you will have to like wait for the other day, or maybe a few hours for it to come back and you can use it again. Or maybe you want to buy an higher package, so you'll be able to use more rates. You see, I've used 92% of your season limit. So you can see, guys. Okay, do I want to proceed? Yes, yes, definitely. before I use up my on my 50% package. By the way, front end and back end, which one is about the design interface of that? The front end is always about is always about the interaction between the app and the user. The back end has to do with a lot of actions. Let's say the front end is just like a dummy graphics, whereby you just like tap on something and the likes you get. But it's the back end when you tap on something and you left click and to select another option and tap on it, is like the backend that is doing the work of, okay, once you tap on this sheet, it's going to like take you to this place, it's going to do this action. Is the backend that is doing that. So front end is just like a dummy graphic that just shows you it's just going to show you like, okay, this, you want to do this here, but you can actually do it. But then once you tap on it to take the action, is the back end that is executing those stuff. So that's just the difference between the front end and back end. So front end is more like the interface, just like the graphics, the interaction between the user and like the application. That's just what the front end is doing. Okay, let me complete this. Yes, yes. I'm not done with my session for today, so let's go. No, no, at all. My pleasure. API code is the next meta. Maybe, who knows? Okay, it's about time. So in the next 2 minutes, I'll be selecting the random winners from everyone that commented there. So guys, stick with me to the end. We only have 4 minutes before I end the stream. So that means we won't have to like see the interface of the app today. Most probably tomorrow I'll run another stream and we can see the interface, we can test it, I get feedback, I can rebuild it, and it's going to make more sense. I've used 94% of my season limit. Wow. Reset us 2 a.m. Okay. Okay. They said Cloud said I've reached my limit. Switch to extra use days. Okay. But no. Cloud said I've reached my limit. So what I'm going to be doing is the stream actually ended for at least an hour. So tomorrow we're going to continue from where we stop. I think we're done with the back end and the front end. What you just need to do is you just need to like launch them and see if they actually work. So guys, I actually appreciate everyone for coming tonight. I'll update you guys on the next stream, and I'll be developing this app openly. Everyone have a say. your idea will be very there. Your idea will be there. I can implement your idea, and anyhow, if I say okay, this makes sense, I can implement it. And also, don't forget about Surge as well. I showed you this platform, guys. I showed you this platform, and it might be a way for you to actually okay. Let's see this again. So this is Surge, guys. This is Surge, and you can easily start vibe coding your products here while streaming, and you can easily get the face of an investor to be interested in your products if it makes sense, because they can easily make your project to reach wider audience. So you can easily sign up by just going to search.xyz very easily, guys. So I stumbled upon them. I was like, okay, it won't be nice to keep this to myself alone. So guys, I will picking the winners for this for the first team. This is the first team, and I really appreciate everyone that joined. I appreciate everyone. But for tonight, I'll be giving the first top two guys on the stream tonight. I'll be giving them the $5 each, and that's Dixon and Bimbostic. So I'll be giving the two of them the $5 each. So guys, for my next stream, I'll just make sure to be here. I will also share in my various channels where I share about my next coming stream, and just be there. There will be the next one. The way I share the giveaway for the next one will also be different and the like. So guys, I appreciate you coming tonight. It's my pleasure. I really appreciate you guys. So Dixon, you can send me a message on X preferably. Dixon, can you send your Twitter username at the moment, so I will know that whenever you message me on X, I will know it's you. Yeah. Also, Bebostic, so you can send your Twitter um handler, yeah. So I know whenever you guys message me, I'll know it's you guys. So please send it before I end this time, please. Yeah. At least we achieved the front end and the back end. So we'll be doing more testing tomorrow. So Dixon, can you please send me your Twitter username here before I end the stream? So can you please send me, so before I end the stream, I know okay, whenever you message me on Twitter, I know okay, you are the guy that won the giveaway. The Mustic has sent his already. So I'm waiting for Dixon before I end the stream. So guys, I really appreciate you guys for coming. It was really marvelous seeing the ability to build something you are thinking about. You have an idea, and you can execute that idea even without you having much knowledge about it. It is a beautiful thing. For you, it's a beautiful thing, guys. So um so let's fucking go, guys. Dixon, I'm waiting for you. Please kindly send your Twitter X here, so I know whenever you message me on X, I know it's you. So guys, thanks for joining the stream. I really appreciate once again. So good night, guys. It's Redox once again. Peace out.